anything and everything, and I'm going to try to keep that short and sweet, anything and everything that you desire exists already in the quantum field. So the quantum field is, if you imagine that you zoom into, that's quantum physics, you zoom into everything and anything down to the molecules, and infinitely there. That's the quantum field. And so in this quantum field, everything is there. There is no time. There is no chronology. So everything is available and they're ready in the quantum realm. And so you can imagine that there are like layers like this, and each one of these layers are a version of you with different beliefs. And you know that your beliefs command your thoughts, that command your emotion, that command your action, that command your results. So in each version of yourself, you have different beliefs. Therefore, you take different actions and you create different results. So the reason why everything you desire is available to you in the quantum realm already is because by changing your beliefs and therefore your actions, and of course the energy that you put out in the world, you're going to become a match for what you want. You're going to vibrate at the level, you're going to become the version of you that is in one of these like slices of reality. And so that's why you see things that are completely crazy in businesses, especially businesses led by spirituality and led by this belief. That's why you see huge shifts in wealth, for example. Like I was reading a post the other day, the lady was making 4,000 a month and then 48,000 the next month. Because she did all that work of aligning with another version of herself. So a version that has way less limitations, that vibrates way higher because it has way less trauma, like keeping her down. So the thing from an energetical standpoint, and that has to do everything to do with the law of attraction and manifesting, the thing that you desire is already available to you. So if you desire 10 new clients this month, it is already available to you. The only thing is that when I say that, 10 new clients, what happens in your energy? Is it like, 10? Look at my audience. Like, I mean, if the conversion rate is 10%, then it doesn't work. So then it's already like, no, not possible. So then, here you're putting a barrier. So, back to that. So you're like here. But then there is a version of you who doesn't have more subscribers, followers, audience, whatever, skills, I don't know, exactly the same, but who believes something different. When I say 10 clients, this version of you goes like, wow, yeah, cool, oh my God, amazing, great, they're coming, that's so cool, thank you. Then this person doesn't have that block. So you send to the universe, you can check out this video on how the law of attraction works. The universe goes, you send your message to the universe, and so the universe brings you the clients. So what you can think of is that time does not bind you in how you are building your business. So that's why in a bit more than a year, ta-da, I'm here. It's because I haven't thought, okay, so it's going to take me that long to do this, and then I need that many followers in order to hit that income goal, because when you do that, you're putting limitations. I was just like, bring it to me. And following my intuition, sharing my wisdom with the world, which I was talking about in the last video. And that's just how it works. So when talking about shifting paradigm in the way you do business. This is a really big one, because it's really starting from the premise that everything and anything is available to you as soon as you allow yourself to actually receive it. And that's the hardest part, because the blocks can be some conscious beliefs, like 10 clients, no, impossible. So that's still something, you get it right away that this is your belief, like, no, it's not possible, I don't think it's possible. But you have some blocks that are more subtle and a bit sneaky, which are your subconscious blocks and your subconscious beliefs. And the sneaky thing with the subconscious beliefs is that you don't know that they're there, the little motherfuckers. So you have to do the work, which is the work, for example, that I was describing you in the last video. You have to do the work to actually uncover these beliefs. Like, you might have seen a radical change in my clothing. It's not only because it's warm, but it's also because I've been doing this work of accepting my femininity and allowing it to actually shine. And that's something that I was absolutely terrified of, and there is still a part of me who's like, okay, live up to it, it's okay. But I'm still doing it because it doesn't bother me as much as it did in the past, or it didn't completely block me. Today I'm like, you know what, this is who I am, this is great, like, it will inspire other women to actually just be themselves and be happy and be fucking happy and abundant and rich AF. Anyways, so that's the work I'm doing. So to remove your blocks, you have to go through the same self-development, I would say spiritual work, because for me, if I wasn't connected to the reason why I'm here, which is to show you that life on earth can be absolutely amazing and that you can bring and have abundance right here now, which is what I'm doing right here. If I didn't do this spiritual work of knowing what I want to bring, I would be much more in the dark, and I would have much less motivation also, and resilience, because yeah, of course I want to bring you a lot of things, but sometimes the numbers are not there, I'm human, I doubt myself, etc., etc. But I have this point that this is why I'm here, and this is what I strive for. So doing the spiritual work of knowing why you're here and what is your talent, what did you come here to do, and what impact did you come here to make? And then work on your human to actually remove all the trauma and the beliefs and the I made my parents unhappy, my dad doesn't love me, my mom would hate me if I'm rich, blah 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 blah, which are conscious beliefs and subconscious beliefs at this level. And so this kind of work you can do with meditation, breath work. I do a lot of visualization or hypnosis, because these are the ways to access the subconscious part of your human, in which your wonderful soul, who has a lot of plans for this planet, is incarnated and a bit like trying to express itself and put its impact on the world, but you're like, no, what if, and what, and no, but I can't be, or no, I'm asking for too much, can I allow myself to do that, blah, 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 blah. So that's your human, but your soul is like trying to get out, which is the reason why you're watching this video, by the way. So your soul like took you there. And so as soon as you do this work, which is not like an overnight work, poof, haha, hello, new me, I'm out of all my beliefs and limitations and come wealth to me. You do that incrementally, and little by little, belief by belief, and you can have like major breakthroughs, like really that completely transform your way of feeling about life. Like it's not like it's just a little by little by little. Like I guess all my clients have they have breakthroughs also because they're ready for the transformation. So that's a good example. The people who reach out to me, they're ready, they're on the verge. So of course, as soon as we start working together, it goes like, and then everything actually expresses itself, because when you take that step of investing a lot of money on yourself, you're giving yourself permission. You're going for it. So energetically, it's super powerful. Like I've literally had clients, the moment they said yes to working with me, they received a client. Happened to me as well with my own coach, because energetically, it is so powerful. That's a good example of alignment. So the version of you who receives all this wealth has a certain relationship to wealth, to money, and a certain relationship to what they deserve. And so investing a lot of money on yourself comes from the belief that you're going to make the money back 10 times, that you deserve to receive money, that your growth is your priority, that you want to feel good, that you believe it's possible to feel good in your life and make a lot of money and create a lot of wealth. So people who, when you do like this, you quantum leap, from one layer to the next. So people who start working with a coach, and I see it each time I start working with a coach, I'm ready for the next step. I'm ready for the next leap. And magical things happen each time I hire a coach. So yes, that's the first part of, I guess, more videos that I'm going to make about how easy and how amazing it is to lead your business from an energetical standpoint. Because I was so unhappy, sorry if you're enjoying these videos, but I was so unhappy and so stressed, and so much in distress when I was doing the videos on like how to do this on Instagram and how to do the stories and na. And I was so not me. Like you can look at these videos and see how my energy is like, because I thought I had to be different. That's a big one. If you think you have to be different in order to get what you desire, what are you doing? You're putting a big limitations, like, no, not now, I'm not ready, no, sorry universe. So that's a big one. Everything is available to you now. The only thing to get rid of are your limitations. And I'm going to end this video on a quote that I love, which is, we don't create abundance. Abundance is always there. We create limitations. So that's your job, to create the life of your dreams. Get rid of these limitations. I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you. And I will see you in the next one.